Hey you guys, welcome to the Ambro home. Today I'm going to give you guys a little tour of our living room and dining room area since we've kind of refreshed the space quite a bit. Now this is a collaboration with my friend Heidi as well as a bunch of other home decor YouTubers. So if you're looking for inspiration on your home, make sure to check out the playlist down below. So let's go ahead and come on into the living room and I'm going to show you guys some different pieces. I'm gonna take you guys to one of my favorite new pieces in my home that I got a couple of months ago, and it was from Farmhouse, and it's this beautiful for sale milk cow sign. It's got that galvanized, beautiful metal look, and I love Farmhouse because I can get some beautiful new pieces of decor that look antique, and it's just got that farmhouse rustic style. Another thing I want to show you guys, which is super budget friendly, I'm absolutely obsessed with it, and it's our L-shaped couch. And this was from a local shop in our hometown called The Warehouse in Port Angeles, Washington. But you can actually also get it at Ashley Furniture. And it is a washable couch, and not only that, but it's actually down feathered. So for 1,600 bucks, you really can't beat that price. I've seen things like this online for over $5,000. So I love this. It's perfect for my little family with my 1-year-old, 3-year-old, and my husband because we can all make a mess. So I absolutely love this and I highly recommend it. Another thing I absolutely love, this was a present actually from my mom, so my kids' grandma, and she got this adorable chippy white toddler-sized table. It's perfect for our living room, and she got this at a thrift shop for 20 bucks. You cannot beat that. Over here, we just have our simple TV entertainment center from Home Goods. I love Home Goods. And of course our TV. We wanted to make sure that our living room was super simple for our little family, and that way we could spend more quality time together if we have less stuff. So that's what we've been focusing on lately, is getting quality items at a good deal, but focusing on having less stuff to enjoy time together. Let's go ahead and walk to the dining room area, which is actually the breakfast nook, but we transformed it that way our playroom or our dining room could turn into our kids' playroom. So I have this beautiful farmhouse table, and this was actually built locally in Port Angeles, Washington, and I probably overpaid for it, but I think it was $300, but I love it, and it works at its purpose, and it's adorable. Paired with it, I have my World Market farmhouse dining room chairs, and I love these. I actually found mini-sized versions of these for my kids. Gonna be making a big farmhouse craft table for them in their playroom, and so that's gonna perfectly match these, which I'm so excited about. Let me know in the comments below if you guys would like to see a video on that, because that could be really fun. And then over here, I just have a little pieces of decor. I have my darling little placemats, and these are from a local shop on Etsy called the Black Eyed Susan. I did a video on them a couple of years ago, and I'm really obsessed with these. I need to get some more, but I've just got my chicken, my cow one, and then I have my adorable dough bowl candle, which you guys might have seen a couple of weeks ago. This is from White Pine Vintage, and it's their signature scent. It's so yummy. And then right up here, I have one of my most treasured photos, besides any photos of my kids, but this is my husband and I's wedding photo. It was not staged at all. He dipped me, and we got this beautiful wedding photo with our pastor, who's also our friend behind it. And I actually found this white old vintage window in my grandma's backyard, which is where we used to live in the tiny home. And this was from my family's farm back in the day. So gosh, over 100 years ago. You can actually see the barn from outside of her window, which is really cool. So I paired this with this, and it's perfect. I love it. And it's one of those things that I'll cherish forever, so I absolutely adore it. One of my favorite ways to make my home really cozy feeling and yummy smelling is to burn candles. And you guys know, if you watch my videos, how obsessed I am with candles, and more specifically farmhouse candles. So today I'm burning, obviously, my White Pine Vintage candle over there on my dining room table, as well as my antique Candle Co. Georgia Peach candle. So my home is smelling yummy today, so that's amazing. And here we have just my kitchen, and not much has changed, but I don't know if I've shared with you guys my little stools. These are from, oh my goodness, Home Depot, and I think we ended up getting them over Black Friday, and they ended up being down to $30. They kept just going down and down and down from like, what was it, $19 90, not 50, 40, 30. So we got 3 of these, and they just add that perfect kind of galvanized touch. My next step for the home is doing maybe some wallpaper down below here with some faux brick. And then of course we're gonna work on some wood beams hopefully soon, I hope. So that is my little home tour for you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure if you want to get some more inspiration on the home to check the playlist down below. And I've got some other great videos to get inspired for your home that I'll link down below as well. So thank you guys so much for watching Living It Country today, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.